Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can open an application which is installed in Windows. The easiest method to open an application is to click on the start icon and select the applications which you want to use. If I want to use mail, I'll click on mail. You have many applications you can use. If you click on all apps, it will list the applications in alphabetical order. So you can browse through the applications and you can select the application which you want to use. The other way is to use search option and enter the key settings. I can open an application. If you want to pin the application to the taskbar so that you can use it every time, pin to start or pin to taskbar. Click on. So this application is pinned to the taskbar. If you want to remove from the taskbar, click and unpin from the taskbar. There is also another way to open an application. Just simply place your mouse on the start and right click. It will give you an option of installed apps and the system applications to use to change the configuration of your Windows 11 system. You can use any of the menu to open the application. For File Explorer, I can click and select to open the File Explorer. If I want to use Run, I can use Run. I can use any default system application by clicking this option and clicking the mouse right click. Thank you.